Go to the login page and log in with your credentials. Fill in the OTP sent to your registered email ID and proceed. Now click on the Import Data tab visible on the left side of your screen. Here you will see Sample Excel icon. By clicking on it you will download data Excel sheet. Now fill the username, suppose Ajay Kumar, and choose the data Excel file. Click on the Next button. Now the data will be added to the Import Username section. Here you can see the data which is assigned to the person. You can assign data status by clicking on it. You have to fill the options and click on the Save button. Data Scheduler is successfully added. By clicking on the eye icon you can see the data. By clicking on the schedule icon you can see the timing of the user. You can see the used data and unused data by clicking on the Show options. For logging out, go to the profile icon and select Log Out option.